Hi guys, thanks for purchasing LifeTime Kit. In this, you'll get a more detailed walkthrough demo for the LifeTime Kit funnel builder. In this, you are able to create, edit, and manage sites using this app. After login, this will be your dashboard. In this page, you'll see lists of sites you did previously. If you want to create a new site, click the New Site option at the top, and it will let you choose the site template you want for your site. You'll have many popular site templates to choose. Just select any site template you need and enter your site name, and then hit the Create button to create your site. Within a fraction of seconds, it will open the site editor page. In this page, you'll have all types of tools and things to edit your page, and page details like layout, buttons, forms tags, etc. You'll have full, complete access to the editing tools you need for site creation. Or you can build the site with a blank page to build it from scratch. When you click on the Project tab, it will open the dashboard where you can find all the sites you recently created or in process of easy access to it. If you have any doubts or queries other than these, feel free to contact our support team anytime. Thank you.